Hello, greetings from Hungary. In the next few minutes you can hear about the application and admission process of the medical and health programs of the University of Debrecen. First, let's see which programs we offer in this field. As you can see, the University of Debrecen has several programs fully taught in English, on preparatory, bachelor and master level as well. We also offer PhD programs. For more details about the doctoral programs, please visit our website. In case of our preparatory, one-tier master and bachelor programs, the entry requirement is a high school certificate. You may wonder, what are the so-called one-tier master programs? Those are undivided, one-cycle degree programs that straight give you a master level qualification. To apply to a regular master program, you need to have a relevant bachelor degree. For all programs in this field, there is a compulsory entrance exam or an interview. As for the exams, the subjects are biology and chemistry or physics. If it is an interview, then we will ask about your educational background, motivation, and also evaluate your level of English. Let's see the application requirements. As I said, all these programs are taught in English, therefore you need to submit all your application documents in English or with English translation. For our preparatory, bachelor and one-tier master programs, you can apply with a high school certificate. There is no specific requirement about the final result, as the selection is based on the entrance exam. For the master programs, one can apply with a relevant bachelor degree. We of course accept applications if you are still in your final year of education. In this case, you have to present the certificates before registration. We welcome applicants above the age of 18. There is an application and an exam fee. Those can be paid by bank transfer. There are two ways to apply. You can apply on your own as an individual applicant by simply submitting an online application through our website. Or you can apply through one of our registered agencies. The University of Debrecen has official representatives all over the world who can assist you and answer your questions, register you for an exam, etc. To locate a nearby representative, please visit our website, where you can find them by country with contact information. If you apply with an agency, you have to send all your documents to them, and they will submit the application on your behalf. Kindly note that in case of certain countries, we can only accept applications through the official local representative of our university. It is also important to mention that those who are interested in governmental scholarships, such as Stipendium Hungaricum, have to apply through a different platform. Please always check the special procedures and requirements of the desired scholarship program. If you wish to apply on your own, then please visit the application and admission page of our website. Find the Apply Now button to start the very simple process. It leads you to an online form where you can choose your desired study program, choose the academic year and the semester when you want to start your studies, fill in your personal and contact data, fill in your previous education data, and upload the required documents. And the last step, of course, is submitting your application. This is how the online form looks, at least the opening page. As you can see, it is very simple and easy to fill in. Let's see now the documents that you have to upload. A copy of your passport and residence permit if you live in a different country. The certificate about your highest level of education. It can be your high school certificate or a bachelor certificate. We also need to receive your transcript or school reports. If you are in your final year, please make sure that you submit a school document that states your expected graduation date and preferably predicted grades. You have to upload the bank receipt about the necessary fees, and if you completed your high school or university in another language, an English language exam certificate is also required. Please send us a short CV as well. Again, if you apply with an agency, then they will ask the application documents from you and submit the application on your behalf. In this case, as an extra document, you will have to fill in and sign a printed application form too. Here you can see the application deadline, that is the 31st of May for the September intake. Only in case of the intensive basic medicine course that starts in January, the application deadline is the 1st of November. If you are a university student elsewhere and wish to transfer to Debrecen, please first send an inquiry email to us, as those are always individual cases. I already mentioned the fees. Those can be paid to the university by bank transfer or to the representative that you apply with. Let's see what happens after you submitted your application. Within a short time, you will receive a confirmation email from our staff that we received your application. We will also inform you if anything is missing or needs to be corrected. We will first check your application material for eligibility, then help you find a suitable day for the entrance exam or interview. The exams can be live exams, organized in many different countries by a local representative, or also in Debrecen. Online examination is also an option if traveling is not possible or restricted. The acceptance letter is issued straight after a successful exam, with detailed instructions about the following steps. Of course, you are interested in the exam topics. As mentioned earlier, a subject exam is required for the medicine, dentistry and pharmacy programs. Biology is the compulsory subject for all applicants, and the second subject is your choice, either chemistry or physics. The exam has a written and an oral part, organized on the same day. Please make sure you start preparing for the exam well in advance, even before the exam day is decided. You can find the topics, recommended readings, and sample tests in our website. An interview is required for our bachelor and master programs, where your motivation, educational and work background, communication skills, and level of English is assessed. If you are accepted, then the most important thing is to read your acceptance letter carefully for all further steps and deadlines. Please make sure you pay the seat reservation fee and the rest of the tuition fee in time. The bank details are in the acceptance letter too. If you are coming from a visa-bound country, then you will need a visa supporting letter that is issued after receiving the full tuition fee. The earlier you pay, the more time you will have to organize your visa. That can be a lengthy process. Therefore, start the procedure well in advance, preferably not later than June. The acceptance letter also contains a QR code that will lead you to our Freshman Info webpage that we update regularly before the academic year starts. Here you can find information about the start of your studies, for example about the orientation and registration, and also you can find practical information. We look forward to receiving your application. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.